Here are 7 general tips for managers and business owners related to cybersecurity. Number 1. Develop and implement a cybersecurity plan that clearly outlines best practices for all employees. Number 2. Assign at least one person to be responsible for your business's cybersecurity, and make sure to give them clear instructions on what you expect from them. Number 3. Determine what is important to your company in terms of risk. Make sure you label threats as low, medium, or high level in a severity scale. This will help you prioritize your efforts. Number 4. Make sure that employees understand why cybersecurity is important for them and your business. Number 5. If you have any legal concerns about cybersecurity, don't hesitate to consult with experts such as legal counsel. Number 6. Explain policies and standards to employees so that they will understand why you need them in place, to whom they apply, and the risks to themselves or the company if they don't follow them. Number 7. It is easy to underestimate how much a proper cybersecurity plan can cost, so make sure to budget properly.